Next, we have a question on Netflix.
Yeah. I'm hawking.
Just broadly chart wise, they gap down after earnings.
No, yeah. So normally like gap downs are something to avoid is what we generally say. We want stocks that react with a gap up on earnings, showing that demand. But Netflix has been, let's hit up a Netflix monthly chart. Look at the thing is fucking sick, So do I think, and now the question comes, I have to do this one hand, hold on. Now the question comes, do you think Netflix is going to break this major trendline support area? So right now I'm thinking no. I'm more of on the bullish side, but if this area breaks, we could definitely see a down move to 440, 400, whatever it may be. But I'm watching this area very closely because it's either gets right back into this trend and we'll see this thing back at highs, or it breaks that trend hard and you see the next leg down. So I'm not sure which way it goes. I don't love when stocks gap down on earnings, but Netflix it's been a market leader for years and years. So that would make me believe that lean to long side on it. So I'm watching that one closely with you.
Yeah, I like that even up back through 500, just in that range.
That's what I'm
500
saying.
To 560.
Completely.
You get it up through 500 versus 480. You're risking 20 points, but you can get it up to 580. You're going to make 80 points.
Right.
You got at least 4-1 on that. But on the other point, you said how long they've been a leader. And I don't want to jinx it, but
it could break down.
Yeah, no, I'm saying for a name that we hate now, where if we think back to 2018, 2019, it was Boeing. And Boeing had this massive, flag or base near highs from 300 to 460, and it was just always that leader until it finally broke that support. And
Definitely true.
One of the biggest leaders to one of the biggest avoids that we've seen in the last couple of years.
Yeah. So. The one thing I'll contend with that is that it was a little news driven. I don't know if you heard of COVID, but. And they're fucking killing people left and right, but whatever.
Yeah. But
no, but I definitely agree. And that could happen, and we could see a change of leadership. Definitely something to watch for closely.